love eating chips. Chips? These are French fries.
Well, actually, you both are correct.
What?
Yes, in the UK they're called chips, and in the States they're called French fries. Do you want to know why?
Yes.
Okay, let's find out. French fries history. Fun facts. In 1802, American President Thomas Jefferson had a French chef who prepared potatoes in the French manner. This is one of the earliest references to deep-fried potato strips being referred to as French. However, some historians say that in Belgium in the late 1600s, villagers along the River Meuse traditionally ate fried fish, but in winter when the river froze, the villagers would fry potatoes instead. Then, when American soldiers stationed in Belgium during World War I, they loved the fried potatoes they ate there. And since the dominant language in that part of Belgium was French, the soldiers called these fried potatoes French fries. And that is when we suppose the name was born. Nowadays, there are so many types of French fries or chips. These are just some of them. Standard fries, wedge cut fries, curly fries, waffle cut fries, and crinkle cut fries. Now we're going to be talking about some fries or chips from around the world. In Canada, we have the pudding fries, which is a traditional dish from Quebec, and it's basically some fries with gravy and topped with chunks of cheese. From Kenya, the masala chips, a very spicy and garlicky dish topped with some lemon. From Peru, the delicious salchipapas. It's a street food and it's basically fries topped with sausages, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, and ají. In the USA, chili cheese fries, basically fries with some chili, melted cheddar cheese, sometimes with some jalapenos or with some sort of onions and topped with sour cream. In Japan, the furiado potato, which is furikake, a seasoned mix of seaweed, sesame seeds, and other ingredients. And in Chile, they have the chorrillana, a pile of fries, sliced meat, fried onions, topped with sunny side up eggs. In Belgium, the fries are even prepared in a special oil made from a mix of horse and cow fat. The most traditional topping for Belgians is mayonnaise. They love fries so much that they even have a museum, the Fried Museum in Bruges. It has everything you need to know about the history of Belgian fries. Belgians per capita consume a third more French fries than Americans. That is 75 kilograms per person per year. In 2014, Belgian fries were officially added to the UNESCO list of treasures. And I hope that you have learned a little bit about the history about French fries, chips, or Belgian fries. And see you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Take care.